Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling lake, lived a curious and kind-hearted young boy named Zaid. One sunny afternoon, while Zaid was playing near the masjid, he noticed something peculiar. It was an old, rusty key that seemed to be glowing faintly. Intrigued, he picked it up and asked the village elder, Grandfather Kareem, if he knew what it was. The old man stroked his long white beard, his eyes twinkling with wisdom. "This key," he began, his voice raspy with age, "might just be the lost key of kindness." He explained that it was said to open the legendary chest of Baraka, a chest filled with the wisdom of past generations. However, the key only works for someone with a pure heart, someone who embodies the values of Islam, like honesty, patience, gratitude, and kindness. Determined to unlock the mystery, Zaid set out on a journey. His first stop was his friend Aisha's house. As they played, Zaid noticed Aisha's family was gathered around a table laden with delicious food, yet no one ate. "Why?" he asked. And Aisha, her eyes downcast, replied, "We are waiting for my brother to return from the field. He's always so hungry after working all day." Zaid realized that while he had enough food for himself, he had not thanked Allah or shared his bounty with others. He took a deep breath, understanding that true gratitude meant sharing. So he brought some food over to Aisha's family, and they all ate together. His next stop was at the village well, where he met a weary traveler who had lost his way. Zaid, remembering the teachings of his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam about helping those in need, guided the stranger to his destination. In return, the traveler gave Zaid a refreshing drink, teaching him that even the smallest act of kindness could bring great rewards. As the sun began its descent, Zaid noticed a boy sitting alone. It was Omar, and Zaid remembered when they were younger, Omar had taken his toy without asking. Though anger had initially filled him, Zaid now understood that holding on to grudges only hurt himself. He forgave Omar, realizing that true strength lay in compassion and forgiveness. Finally, with a heart full of warmth, Zaid returned to the mush. He placed the key in the lock, and to his amazement, it turned. Before him was a sight that filled him with wonder. There were books, scrolls, and old photographs, each whispering tales of the past. Zaid felt a deep sense of connection to his heritage and understood that each generation had received the blessings of their ancestors because they had upheld the values of their faith. That day, Zaid learned that the true richness lay not in material possessions, but in the abundance of one's good character. He realized that practicing these small acts of goodness every day brought baraka, blessings from Allah, into one's life. As he continued his journey, he knew that he wasn't just carrying on his heritage. He was creating new memories, new stories that would become part of the rich tapestry of his life.